Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2025 Grand Design Momentum, and this is the 24MAV toy hauler travel trailer. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see what you think. Alright, up front you do have electric tongue jack with two 20-pound propane tanks and a cover. Around the corner here you do have some battery disconnects along with some extra outlets and a light. Stabilizer jacks down below along with your black and gray tank outlets and pulls there. Power cord connections right on the side here. Exterior ladder. Dual axle. And then you do have the full patio system, along with the recliner chairs, prep for a backup camera up top, along with a LED light strip. Do also have electric LED awning, outside speakers, nice grab handle as you walk into the entrance. And directly to your left is your control panel, which will have your electric awning button along with your master light switch and water pump. Dinette here, which will fold up to the wall. There are tie downs that go all the way up to this wall here. Got your thermostat, spot for a TV up top, storage. Huge garage area. Got more tie downs here. And then you have a Murphy bed that'll come down. That's a queen bed. Refer to the pictures on our website to see that down. Tons of storage on each side of the bed. Here's a good look at the patio. More tie downs there. Another TV backer location right above the big window, and more storage up above. Full-size refrigerator freezer. That is a 12-volt refrigerator. Good amount of countertop space in the kitchen area here. 3-burner, microwave, fan. Then more storage up here with a fan above as well. Stainless steel sink. You've got outlets in the kitchen in the corner there and there. And then right behind me is the full bathroom. Medicine cabinet, another fan, skylight. We'll do one more walk around. It does have a pull down screen here for the ramp door as well. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2025 Grand Design Momentum 24MAV toy hauler travel trailer, call or text at 218-229-7816. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.